Hi there, it's the Christmas special. Enjoy. Very Crimble-like is this Sounds Like Christmas special.
Good evening, Merry Christmas. Hope you're enjoying all the festivities.
It's the Christmas show, and what wouldn't be a Christmas show without a bit of snow? Have some of this. Anyway, here's some of Mynas coming up to entertain you with a song called Draw, and it's quite Christmassy, so enjoy this.
I'll draw.
Oh, it's fucking rubbish, Scarf. What was that J flat in middle then? That one on bass, definitely.
That was good, wasn't it? So from one Christmassy style tune and a filthy little singer over to another filthy fella, it's Comedy Rodge with his Christmas message. Have some of that.
Good evening, happy Christmas. It's snowing, can you see it snow? Thanks for following us here on Sounds Like Barnsley. Happy Christmas everybody. Stay tuned in 2010 for much more. Much, much more. Till then, hasta luego, snow. Look at the snow, look at the snow.
Well, thanks for that, Rog. That was very Christmassy. So over to finishing off our special Christmas kind of sounds like thing. It's Skinboat in the SHQ where it ain't snowing, but it's mighty Christmassy, I tell thee. I had something Christmassy to do over this bit. Hark the herald angels
angels sing glory to my shaky leg. Gentleman went down when you're standing down an alley. Remember the lady you just met, and you're gonna get a knee trembler. For some folks, that's what she gets. They guess that she can live. That's what I'll say when I'm shaking my leg. 'Cause I can see where I'm just about to trade my sports, I empty out. I spread my filth and spray it all about. And shoot the fat and pop the load. Hit up the station and here we go, yeah. How shaky is your leg? How shaky is your leg? Is it quite? Is it very? On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to turn to Chris. And you see, about a 3. Weren't much that, Chris. No, he never gets a high score, but he didn't even try that time. Sean's up front. Shake your leg. It's not bad. That's about 6. We got any contenders? Come on, gents. Come on, gents. Let's see that leg.
We got a scrambler.
Kind of don't want to, but you know what? You know it's so good. It's a knee trembler. And as always, I'm never going to show you my shaky leg because I've wanked already tonight.
Have we all?
Have we all? We've wanked each. No, we haven't. Yeah, but you know what I get at with this shaky leg business. You just get a knee trembler. So how shaky is my leg? How shaky is my leg? Is it quite? Is it very? On a scale of 1 to 10, well, I'm usually up there with about a 9.5. I shake it so hard, I won't take him to ride and fell off, I tell ya. Train my sports, they're empty out. Some filth and spread it all about. Pop the load, shoot the bag, me at the station, so here you are, yeah. Jazz hands.
So, that's been about it from us. It sounds like Barnsley. So until next year, Merry Christmas!
And a happy New Year.
Goodbye!
There you go.
I've got this home for Christmas. I've got this home. Snow is falling all around us. Merry Christmas, everyone.